Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. The registration of a society shall render it a body corporate by the name under which it is registered, having perpetual succession and a common seal, and with power to hold property, enter into contacts, institute and defend suits and other legal proceedings, and to do all things necessary for the purpose for which it was constituted. Full stop para. A cooperative society may, by amending its bylaws, change its name. Full stop para. Where a cooperative society changes its name, the registrar shall enter the new name on the register of cooperative societies in place of the former name and shall amend the certificate of registration accordingly. Full stop para. The change of name of a cooperative society shall not affect any rights or obligations of the society or of any of its members, past members, officers, past officers, or the heirs of any of them, if deceased or rendered defective any legal proceeding by or against the cooperative society, and any legal proceedings which might have been continued or commenced by or against the society by its former name, may be continued or commenced by its new name. Full stop para. Subject to the provisions of this Act and the rules, a cooperative society may, by an amendment of its bylaws, change the form of extent of its liability. When a cooperative society has passed a resolution to change the form of extent of its liability, it shall give notice thereof in writing to all its members and creditors, and notwithstanding any bylaw or contract to the contrary, any member or creditor shall, during a period of 3 months from the date of service of the notice upon him, have the option of withdrawing, subject to the provisions of section 41, his shares, deposits or loans, as the case may be. Full stop para. Any member or creditor who does not exercise his option within the period specified in subsection 2, shall be deemed to have assented to the change. An amendment of the bylaws of a cooperative society changing the form of extent of its liability shall to be registered until, either dash it has been assented to or deemed to have been assented to by all the members and creditors, or all claims of members and creditors who exercise the option referred to the subsection 2 within the period specified therein have been met in full. Full stop para. A cooperative society may, subject to the provisions of this Act and rules, amend its bylaws in the manner prescribed, provided that no such amendment shall be valid and operative unless it has been registered under this Act. Full stop para. The proposal for an amendment of the bylaws shall be forwarded to the registrar, and if the registrar is satisfied that the proposed amendment dash is not contrary to the objects specified in section 4 of the Act, and is not contrary to the other provisions of the Act or the rules, he shall register the amendment within 1 month from the date of receipt of such proposal. Full stop. If the registrar does not register the amendment within 1 month, then it will be deemed that he has refused to register the amendment, and in this case it will be obligatory for the registrar to intimate the society within next 1 month, comma, the reasons for not registering the amendment, full stop, over.